Hello friends, welcome to another video of Crypto Bull Home. Today we gonna know about an another faucet earning site, which is their official faucet by Horizon. Horizon is a blockchain technology where they provide many services like app development, DApp development. Their cryptocurrency name is Zen, Zen, and Zen is very well-known cryptocurrency in coin market cap. Here you can see Zen price today $6.22, and today we gonna know how to earn free Zen every day. First, you have to make your account here. For that, you need your email. After clicking on link in description box, the link redirect you here. So first click link on link, and then after coming here, just tap on these three lines and tap on register. After that, a pop-up box come out. Here you have to provide your name, email address, password, and repeat password. Then fill the box, then tap on register. After that, you will receive an email, that is confirmation email. Go to your email box and confirm your account with this email. After that, you have to come again here and click on login. After clicking on login, you have to provide same email and then password, then login. After login, now let's know how to earn here Zen token. Before claiming Zen, you have to set your Zen receive address. For that, you can download their official Spare wallet where you can store your Zen. And best part of receiving Zen in their official wallet, you can earn many more Zen token here for holding Zen in their official wallet. For more detail, you can click on these three dots and then tap on help and then tap on instruction. Here you can see how to set your account here. Here you can download Spare by Horizon and how to use faucet. You can claim extra Zen after submitting and verify your wallet and link social media accounts and holding Zen. You can get bonus here. After setting Zen receive address and verifying, come again on home page and you are ready to claim. For claiming, you have to fill CAPTCHA and then just tap on claim. Here you can see I have won 95,043 Jennies. And continuously claiming 5 days, you will receive bonus where you can win up to 1 Zen. Just tap on play, and here you can see I have won 0.00228 Zen token, and this will receive in my Spare wallet. I will receive. Here I can see you, show you. This is my Spare wallet. And here you can see I have received my Zen tokens here. Here 95,043 Zen is, and here 3,25,232 Zen is. And you can take part in their monthly giveaway, which is approximate $300 giveaway. Just click on enter now, and gleam.io page open. Here you can participate in. First place receive 100 USD, second place receive 50 USD, and third and fourth place receive 25 USD in Zen token. And you can take part and win Zen tokens. And for more earning Zen token, you can play their game, which is Blocks Jump game. This is also a very nice game. Here you can earn many more Zen token. And here we go down. You can learn many more about Zen and about blockchain technology in their academy, and you can develop any DApps on their Horizon development environment, and you can purchase their crypto swag like hoodie, cap, a mug, any more crypto swag. And you can join their official social media accounts by clicking here. And for more Zen token earning, you can refer to your friend. There is 4-tier referral link where you can earn 20% to tier 1 referral, tier 2 referral 10%, tier 3 referral 5%, and tier 4 referrals 3% earning. So join now and earn Zen token. Please like, share and subscribe channel.